Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain about common mistake people make when replacing fuses and relays that can end up you spending quite a bit of money on diagnostics tools, parts that you may not need. Make sure you stay until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Explorer, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2015. If you need to find where the engine computer, also known as ECU or ECM, fuses and relays are located, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way do not waste money and time. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine lights, transmission lights, fuses, relays. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, check out our YouTube channels. We have, guys, more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, for the engine computer, also known as ECU or ECM, which relays and fuses control it, we will demonstrate on this Ford Explorer right here. We'll be working multiple fuse boxes, but the first one, open, guys, the driver door, and then you need to come under the dash on the driver's side. In the footwell compartment, behind the parking brake power, look under the dash on the left side, upside down. You're going to find one black cover like this one. Press these two tabs, pull the cover out, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, here what we need to check now, the fuses, okay, will be located all over the place. Therefore, engine computer, also known as powertrain control module. In that row here, the last fuse, number 18, will need to be checked right here. Then we need to open the hood. Under the hood on the driver's side, next to the car battery, you have a fuse box. Press the two tabs, open the cover, and you're going to find the main engine fuse box that looks like this one. Here, guys, what we need to check now, multiple fuses. The first one is 67 fuse. 67 will be that fuse right here that you need to check. Then we need to, guys, check 68 and 69, 67, 68, 69, these three fuses. Then you need to check fuse 86, that's that fuse right here. Check fuse number 90, that will be that fuse here. And then we need to check relay 66, guys. Now relay 66 is the one that you see right here. All this will need to be checked on your Ford Explorer. So guys, by the way, you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, circuit breakers, and check under the hood. It's even more complicated, guys. And even you have some special fuses, okay, like this one right here. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. We'll recommend to buy some, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.